Do you ever get lost and don't know how and where to claim your Monopoly Go rewards? In this video, we will be featuring a solution for that. First, log into monopolygo.com, and then after logging in, you will see this beautiful interface by Monopoly Go. I want you to click the reward codes in the left sidebar. After clicking this is the way of claiming your reward codes. As you can see, there is a input box. Click this input box and make sure that you have already prepared and copied the Monopoly Go reward codes. Just type that in here and click the Go button. After clicking this Go button, the reward will be sent to your account automatically if it's valid. And if it's invalid, the reward code will not be processed or the rewards will not be sent. And that's how you can claim your reward codes. For this video, I have received 25 free dices from Monopoly Go, and thank you for listening.